This is a brand new 2015 Toyota RAV4. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, keyless ignition, a sunroof, heated seats, satellite radio, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, full power accessories, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a rear window defroster, an anti-lock braking system, and an automatic climate control system. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Doxon Toyota of Auburn is located at 3405 Auburn Way in Auburn, satisfying customers for over 70 years.